Stop wasting time in Excel. Here are 5 shortcuts every pro will use in 2025. Shortcut 1, Ctrl+E for flash fill. Type John once. Press Ctrl+E, and Excel fills the whole name column like magic. Try it in C2 too. Shortcut 2, Alt+= for instant totals. Place your cursor just below your sales numbers, hit Alt+=. Press Enter and boom! AutoSum in seconds. Shortcut 3, Ctrl+1 to cleans updates. Select your date. Press Ctrl+1 and pick a new format. Hit Enter, professional and polished. Shortcut 4, Ctrl+Alt+VV for smarter copy-paste. First, copy your formula cells. Press Ctrl+Alt+V, then V. Hit Enter and all your data becomes clean values. Shortcut 5, Ctrl+ Shift + L to toggles filters instantly. Compare John's sales with Sarah's in seconds. Speed like a pro. Try these now and save hours. Like, share, and subscribe for more time-saving Excel hacks. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.